Blessings, blessings, yeah. I see elephants tusk on the bow of a sailing lady, docked on the Ivory Coast. Mercedes in a row, winding down the road. I hope my black skin don't dirt this white tuxedo before the boss got sure. And if so, well fuck it, because this water drown my family. This water makes my blood. This water